But my favorite example of infinity is Zeno's paradox, where you want to exit the door, you got to go halfway. Then you got to go another halfway. And then another halfway. You just keep doing that.
Well, wait, when I walk through the door, I walk through the door.
No, you're going halfway first. And then you're going halfway again.
Here's the door, here's me. How am I going halfway? I walk through the door and I don't stop.
Okay, you're being too rational here. You got to stay with the math, okay? You want to exit the front door. Before you get to the door, you have to cross the halfway point, don't you?
Halfway point of what?
Between where you happen to be standing and where the door is.
Yes.
We agree.
Okay.
Okay, now you got to cross the halfway point between there and the door.
Half. Okay, I got you.
And then the half and the half and
but
the
it's
half.
so random to pick half. You could say I got to pass the point at the 1/3.
I could have. That's correct.
Okay.
All right. But, so there's an infinite number of halfway points.
Yes, I get it.
And Zeno saw this and said, by that reasoning, you'll never get to the door. Because there's an infinite, but of course you do get to the door. So what's going on? And what he didn't realize is that you are covering more and more halfway points in less and less time. And the infinity actually converges to a finite amount of time.
Right, because you're cutting down the distance. To
correct.
Right.
And infinity can be cut into something that's finite. So, yeah, but other than math, no. I mean, the universe is finite to our observable edge.
All right, so there's no such thing as to infinity and beyond. I think that's...
You just dissed a book that I co-wrote with my producer.
No, that
do you know the title of that book?
Yes.
To Infinity and Beyond.
Yes.
Yes. Why are you dissing the book?
No, I didn't remember that, actually. I'm referencing a Disney movie. Do I look that smart?
Paul, we got to go.
Yeah, this has been great. You've been fantastic.
Thanks for coming back.
Yeah, man, it's great to see you.
Yeah, man.
Love you.
Keep us smiling, keep us laughing.
Absolutely.
All right, and we'll find you on the road.
Permission to Speak, my Broadway show directed by Frank Oz. PaulMercurio.com for tickets. We're going to be in Dr. Phillips Center.
Mercurio.
Mercurio. M-E-C-U-R-I-O.
Like the SAT word, mercurial.
There you go.
This has been Star Talk's Grab Bag Cosmic Queries from my office here at the American Museum of Natural History. Paul, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
All right. As always, I bid you to keep looking up.